Good morning.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I am also good. How did the exam go today? Dream on, little dreamer. Rishabh is a little dreamer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what
Ma'am,
is your?
actually, ma'am, actually, it is edited by Vanshika.
It is edited by
Ma'am, Vanshika.
Vansh Kashyap.
No, ma'am, Vanshika Sharma.
Vanshika Sharma. Hey, Vanshika, do it for me also, no? Tell her to do for me also.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let everyone come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nishal beta. कैसे हैं
Good
आप?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kumar Path. बेटा हम लोग हिस्ट्री कर रहे थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we continue with that?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Shall we continue with that, or shall we have one more revision, because Monday onwards you don't have classes, no?
Ma'am, it's your choice.
No, Saturday, tomorrow only we have a class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you only tell that which revision we should do.
Huh?
Ma'am, you should only tell that which revision we should do, like which is more important.
I feel revision is more important.
No, ma'am, ma'am, like history one or the other revision show. That's why I was saying.
See, let us have a mixture of it, no? History and geography both. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Myra? Okay, I am sharing the screen with you people. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you again repeat?
Beta, I am saying I am sharing the screen with you all.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions or it's oral.
नहीं, ये बताओ, ये वाला हमने रिवीजन कर लिया था, ज्योग्राफी वर्कशीट चैप्टर 1.
Ma'am, I think no.
देख के बताओ.
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
We did this?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
Yes, we have done this. बच्चा बोलो, बच्चा कैसे मुझे पता चलेगा?
Yes, ma'am. We have done this.
We have done this. Okay. Let me take Aman inside. Okay. So we'll start with the new this thing.
And then what we will do?
Huh?
And we will do oral.
No, we will do written revision. I will write questions, you write answers with you. Okay? Right?
Revision or
Geography and history both together.
Okay, ma'am.
So first we will have for history. Let us do it for history first, right? Okay.
Ma'am, can you again repeat?
Am I clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
अब आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, which type of revision we are doing? Oral or written?
हाँ,
Ma'am, which type of revision we are doing? Oral or written?
we are doing both. I will give the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
What is wrong with it? I am not able to write. हाँ. Why? भव्या को लेने अंदर क्लास में.
Ma'am, can we do oral revision?
बेटा ओरल रिवीजन में पहली बात तो आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
रिटन रिवीजन में ये है ना बेटा, आप जब पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो आपको दोनों चीजें साइमल्टेनियसली समझ में आएंगी बच्चे,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? अच्छा, यू मस्ट बी टायर्ड ऑफ राइटिंग. अभी कंप्यूटर का एग्जाम दिया, अब शशि मैम कह रही है लिखो. ऐसा तो कोई सीन नहीं है ना?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए, हम बैठ लेते हैं यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री का, ठीक है? History chapter 1, question number 1. I am writing the question. You simply tell me the answer to that particular question, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Dash was the special okay. First, dash was the special tax levied by the church on peasants.
Ma'am, it was tail. Ma'am, it was TAILLE.
बेटा एक मिनट. हाँ, was the special tax levied, ये कुछ
Ma'am, it was Tithi. Tithi. Or like ma'am, T-I-T-H-E.
Right. By the ठीक है. Parth says it was Tithi.
Tithi.
Ma'am, Tithi.
Tithi. T-I-T-H-E. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Next is when, where, and why did Louis XVI convene the Estate General हाँ जी बताइए when, where and why did Louis XVI convene the Estate General?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, to pass the
Ma'am,
proposal
on
for
5
new taxes.
May.
बताओ.
Ma'am, on
Ma'am, on 5 May.
on 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called for an assembly on the
हाँ.
State General to pass the proposal for new taxes.
Okay. To pass the proposal for the new taxes. And where was it held?
Ma'am, in these
Ma'am, hall in Versailles.
Very good. Very good. This is Bhavya, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Right. The next question says, चलिए match the following.
excuse
जी बेटा.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, in exam, what will be the pattern on like for things can come?
Okay, your pattern will be objective, subjective. Objective में you can get true, false, fill in the blanks, match the following, one word answer, MCQ,
Okay, ma'am.
right? In descriptive, of course, you
Okay,
will be
ma'am.
having a descriptive questions you will be having. ठीक है?
Okay.
चलो match the following. First is Now this is match the following. Who will tell?
Ma'am, just a
Ah.
minute.
Ma'am, the first.
Ma'am, first is B.
Okay, first is,
Ma'am, second is C.
wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, best style is
Ma'am, state prison.
state prison. Very good. Very good.
And ma'am, second is stately residence belonging to a nobleman.
ठीक है. तो ये हमारा हो गया. Best style is state prison, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chetex is
Ma'am, stately residence belonging to a nobleman.
very good. The old regime,
Ma'am, Society of France before 1789.
very good. Society of France before 1789. And spirit of laws goes to
Montesquieu.
Montesquieu. Montesquieu. Option A, Montesquieu. He was a philosopher. He was a thinker, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All answers done? Fine. अच्छा ये बताइए, ये ज्योग्राफी की वर्कशीट हम लोगों ने पहले करी थी क्या? इसको ओरल कर लें?
Ma'am, which?
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am. हमारी
Yes,
क्लास में रही थी.
करी थी बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
कब करी थी?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा पक्का करी है हम लोगों ने ये?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
think. Ma'am, I.
तो चलो इसके आंसर बताओ, अगर करी है हमने तो ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. एक छोटा रिवीजन हो जाएगा आप लोगों का इसका,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
India lies in which hemisphere?
Ma'am,
Northern
ma'am,
Hemisphere.
Northern Hemisphere.
ma'am, Northern Hemisphere.
Okay, India lies in northern. हम आंसर साथ ही साथ लिख रहे हैं, आप देखते जाओ. Northern. Mention two types of states in India before 1947.
Ma'am, provinces and princely.
Very good. Provinces and princely. ठीक है. States through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. How many states are there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Gujarat,
Ma'am,
How many?
Madhya Pradesh.
How
ma'am,
many?
if four.
8.
8. You need to name. You need to name them. If I say name them, I said how many. That means बेटा इसका मतलब ये आपने करी हुई है, इसको छोड़ दो. Unnecessary इस पे हम टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? चलिए, हिस्ट्री की वर्कशीट करी थी कोई हमने?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये करी है हमने.
Ma'am.
है बेटा?
No, ma'am, I think. Yes, ma'am, we have.
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have done.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
This. Yes, ma'am. Last, ma'am, I think day before yesterday we did.
चलो ठीक है, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है अगर हमने ये करी है तो. चलो, तो अब हम आपसे ओरल क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो आप हमें बताओ, why were symbols used in 18th century France? Why were symbols used in 18th century France?
Ma'am, it is used. Ma'am, it is used.
बताओ.
Ma'am, the French river. Ma'am, it is used.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
बताओ
it
बेटा.
explain the points of new constitution.
Why were symbols used in
Ma'am, it represent the new constitution.
century? कह रहा है 18th सेंचुरी फ्रांस में सिंबल्स क्यों यूज होते थे?
Ma'am, to represent the new constitution.
No, ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, in 18th century, ma'am, the symbols were used because, ma'am, there were some people who could not read and write. So through those symbols, they could understand, what they're trying to say.
Yes, yes. In 18th century France, symbols were used so that the groups of people, those who could not read and write, could understand those symbols. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Why subsistence crisis occurred frequently during old regime in France? Yes, anybody for this answer? Why subsistence crisis occurred frequently in France during
And
the
the
old...
subsistence.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Bhavya.
And the subsistence crisis.
Ma'am, the subsistence crisis occurred frequently during old regime, ma'am, because ma'am, the third estate had to pay a lot of taxes, and due to which they were not able to fulfill their daily needs, and the population of France was also growing day by day. So and ma'am, the food grains were not sufficient for everyone, so that's why the
And
subsistence
maintenance of
crisis
the.
occurred.
Yes, ऋषभ टेल बेटा. भव्या ठीक है आपका भी, फिर भी ऋषभ को ही बताना, तो शायद ऋषभ भी बता रहा है.
Also.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, France has a habit to support in all wars. So, ma'am, the weapons the weapons buying also need some money. So, ma'am, money was wasted in that also. And ma'am, the and ma'am,
Bhavya, can you repeat your answer beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, yeah. Ma'am, subsistence crisis occurred frequently during old regime in France because the third estate has to pay a lot of taxes, and also the population of France was increasing day by day, due to which the third estates were not able to fulfill their daily needs. So that's why the subsistence crisis occurred.
ठीक है. If it is a 3-mark question, you can simply write that subsistence crisis occurred frequently during old regime in France due to following reasons. First reason you can give that because of the sudden increase in the population in France. Second, you can write that because of frequently occurring drought or hail that reduced the harvest, made the demand for food grains grow. That is why the subsistence crisis occurred. This answer is given on page number 5 of your book, beta.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, which factor contributed to the rise of Napoleon? Which factor contributed to the rise of Napoleon? बताइए.
Ma'am, after the fall of Jacobin government, ma'am, a new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-property section of society. So it provided for two elected legislative. No, ma'am, it would be a very long answer. Ma'am, just one.
Page 17 it is given.
Yes. Ma'am, may I give?
Yes.
Ma'am, after the fall of Jacobin government, the political instability of the directly paved the way for the rise of the military director who was Napoleon Bonaparte. Yes.
Yes. Yes. See, the political instability of the directory that was introduced after the fall of Jacobians government paved the way for the rise of a military dictator called Napoleon Bonaparte. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, give any 3 laws enforced by Napoleon to modernize France. Napoleon ने कुछ laws बनाए थे?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बताओ वो कौन से थे वो 3 laws, if you know. बताओ भाई. It is given on page number 23. Let me see how many of you can tell.
Ma'am, he introduced many laws such as the protection of private property and a uniform system of weights and measures provided by the decimal system.
Yes. The 3 laws that were introduced by him were, he gave the right authority to the people to have private property. Then he also made the uniform system of weights and measures, right?
Yes.
Okay. What was the most revolutionary What was the most revolutionary social reform of the Jacobean regime? Can anybody tell? What was the most revolutionary social reform of the Jacobean regime? Anybody in the class? Hey, beta?
Mom, don't know this answer.
Anybody in the class? Beta, the answer is, I know most of you don't know this because it is given in the book only. And those who have not read the book thoroughly, they must not be knowing. See, the most revolutionary social reform of the Jacobean regime was the abolition of slavery. Right?
Oh, yes, mom. Yes.
I think we discussed it in the class also the other day.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, when Napoleon government came, ma'am, then ma'am, मतलब वो slavery वापस ले आए थे?
जब जेकोबियन हट गई थी उसके बाद दोबारा से आ गई थी क्योंकि जो है नेपोलियन आ गया था, नेपोलियन दोबारा से इंट्रोड्यूस करती थी स्लेवरी.
मैम देन वो फिर से नहीं हटी?
नहीं, फिर फाइनली 1848 में हट गई थी.
ओके.
ठीक है. कोई ऐसी चीज इस चैप्टर में इंग्लिश में सॉरी हिस्ट्री में या ज्योग्राफी में जो आप लोगों को बिल्कुल समझ में ना आया हो? क्यों क्लास? है बेटा?
Ma'am, I want to ask one more thing.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, ma'am, after Louis XVI, Jacobean government came, right?
Yes.
So, ma'am, so after Jacobean, Napoleon came. So, ma'am, the rulers were changing like very fast. So, ma'am,
Yes.
why, ma'am, why they didn't had a ruler who can, fulfill their all
The
their
problem
needs,
was
ma'am?
every group of the social groups that were there in the country, they demanded different things at different times. Right? Jacobians, when Jacobians came, see, when King Louis XVI was there, they wanted freedom from monarchy. They wanted their own self-rule. When monarchy was over, when Jacobian came, Jacobian was so strict. He implemented some of the policies, quite harsh policies were there. Severe control he had imposed. So people did not like this also. So directory was introduced. Directory, people could not, they were not in sync with each other. So continue every now and then they had, some of the other conflicts or arguments were there. So ultimately, so what happened? Napoleon saw this condition and he declared himself as the Emperor of France, and he brought quite many relief to the French people. But as you know, I told you, different groups want different things at different times. So when Napoleon's rule was stable in France, at that time Napoleon was a very ambitious ruler. He wanted to conquer whole of Europe. So he kept on, he went on a voyage where he wanted to conquer all the other territories which were there. Now this was not digested by the other people in the European countries. भाई कोई और दूसरे देश का राजा क्यों ये पसंद करेगा? So they did not like this idea of Napoleon. So they started, conspiring against it. और ultimately कब नेपोलियन की डिफीट कब हुई थी? कौन से ईयर में हुई थी? 1815 में नेपोलियन हार गया था वाटरलू की बैटल.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और जब वो वाटरलू की बैटल हारा, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, जितनी भी चेंजेस उसने फ्रांस में या मतलब जो भी चीजें उसने करी थी अपने कॉन्कर टेरिटरीज में, उन सबको अंडू कर दिया गया, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हुआ? तो देखो आप ये देखो
Yes,
ना, एज पर द डिमांड, एज पर द नीड ऑफ द टाइम, पीपल्स डिमांड ऑल्सो चेंज, इजंट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो बस यही चीज होती है।
मैम नेपोलियन अच्छे किंग थे मतलब?
बेटा हम कह सकते हैं कि वो बाकी जो रूलर्स रहे उनसे बेटर थे। उसका कारण ये था कि उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें नई लेके आई, काफी मॉडर्नाइज करा यूरोपियन कंट्रीज को, यूरोपियन स्टेट्स जो थी उनमें काफी चेंजेस लेके आए वो, जो कि बेटर के लिए था। ठीक है, पर प्रॉब्लम ये हुई कि देयर वर मेनी पीपल हु कुड नॉट डाइजेस्ट दिस फैक्ट कि ऐसा कुछ है। तो इस वजह से जो है लोगों को जो है ये समझ में भी नहीं आया नेपोलियन। अदरवाइज नेपोलियन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ गुड रूलर, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत सारी अच्छी, अब आप देखो प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी की कोई अथॉरिटी नहीं थी किसी के पास। लोगों को मतलब अगर आप जहाँ पे आज की डेट में रह रहे हो, अगर वो आपका घर है, तो अगर आप उस टाइम पे होते तो आप उसको अपना घर नहीं कह सकते थे, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे लोगों के पास ये राइट ही नहीं था ऑफ हैविंग प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी। ये नेपोलियन ने इंट्रोड्यूस करा। नेपोलियन ने कहा आप प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी रख सकते हो, आप अपने पास एसेट्स रख सकते हो। तो देखा जाए तो एक तरीके से ये अच्छी चीज थी।
Yes, ma'am.
फिर उन्होंने जो है ट्रेड को इजी करा, मतलब विद इन टेरिटरीज एंड आउटसाइड द टेरिटरीज। उन्होंने वेट्स एंड मेजर्स को स्टैंडर्डाइज करा। स्टैंडर्डाइज करने का मतलब ये हुआ कि भाई जैसे आज की डेट में अगर 1 kg आप बोलते हो तो 1 kg हैज हाउ मेनी ग्राम्स?
1000.
एंड उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था। उस टाइम पे 1 kg अगर एक टेरिटरी में 1000 ग्राम्स है, तो दूसरे टेरिटरी में वो 750 ग्राम्स हुआ करता था, किसी और में वो 650, किसी कहीं और पे वो 772, कहीं और पे वो 552। तो ये इतना वेरिएशन जो था, इसकी वजह से लोगों को बड़ा नुकसान होता था। तो क्या हुआ, उन्होंने क्या करना शुरू करा, उन्होंने ट्रेड करा ही नहीं। वो करते ही नहीं थे आपस में ट्रेड, वो अपने विद इन अपनी ओनली टेरिटरी करते थे। उन्हें पता था कि भाई अपनी टेरिटरी के अंदर सब कुछ ऐसा सही है तो कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। प्लस जो टैरिफ बैरियर्स थे, जो टैक्सेस लगाए जाते थे ट्रेड करने पे, वो बहुत ज्यादा हुआ करते थे। आपको हर टेरिटरी क्रॉस करने पे आपको एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट देना पड़ता था, और वो बहुत ज्यादा हुआ करता था। तो इसलिए पीपल नेवर प्रेफर्ड ट्रेडिंग। बट व्हेन ही केम, he made certain provisions where people could people could what do you say, they could trade among each other, and this is how trade expanded. Otherwise जो चीजें थी वो एक ही एरिया में कंफाइंड होकर रह जाती अगर वो ट्रेड इस तरीके से नेपोलियन चेंजेस नहीं लेके आता।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम अभी भी फ्रांस, मैम अब फ्रांस में कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है?
अब तो बेटा फ्रांस में डेमोक्रेसी है भाई, प्रॉपर
अच्छा, okay,
डेमोक्रेटिक
ma'am.
गवर्नमेंट है, प्रॉपर डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट है। ठीक है, द क्लास इज गोइंग टू एंड एनी मोमेंट। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर tomorrow's exam. Prepare well. We'll meet tomorrow again, and we will have doubt session. Whatever doubts you have in geography, and if you don't have no doubts, then we will revise both geography and history. Fine.